I beg to mention item number 33. Here I have to file my affidavit, Lordship. I pray for some more time.
My lord, recruitment process is going on, so a short date may be given.
As prayed for by Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC, with consent from M.S.M. Kurmi,
Yes, madam.
learned counsel, with the petitioner relist on such and such date. Give a date after 2 weeks. Yes.
Yes,
Oblige.
on 6th of February. Oblige.
Yeah, with the consent of the address, I beg to mention item number 38. Give some, Lordship, some time to file my reply, Lordship.
It's a contempt.
Lordship,
You are for the petitioner.
petitioner, Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. N.J. Gogoi, learned counsel, for the petitioner relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner to file a rejoinder.
Oblige. Oblige. May I please, Lord? Lordship, consider the other side, I beg to mention item 20, Lordship. Now, we may be allowed to grant 3 weeks more time to.
Counter.
Right,
Lordship?
item 20, I am for the petitioner. Lord.
Yes.
I have some urgency, Lord, that they have prayed for some time. They have already taken some.
You want to file your rejoinder?
No, they will file affidavit in opposition. I am for the petitioner here.
Oh, you
I'm
are the petitioner.
Yes.
I am for the
How
response
much
6,
time you want?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. As prayed for by Mr.
As they behalf of
As they learned counsel on behalf of
UB Sharma.
Mr. U.B. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 6, which is opposed by Mr. D. Nutt, relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner file counter in the matter.
They are private respondent. Lord. They are private respondent.
Sorry, respondent.
But can
Give a date. Yes, next.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 10, my lord. What happened, my lord, in this case, Angus advocate J.C. Sudhri, he suddenly fell sick, my lord. So he asked,
Item number.
item number 10, my lord. So he asked me to mention time for 2 weeks, my lord.
Your name.
M. Hussain.
Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel, informs the court that the conducting counsel, Mr. J.C. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, has suddenly fallen ill today and is unable to be present in the court when the matter is called. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, the matter stands adjourned to such and such date.
List of oblige.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 31, lordship. We need further time to file our affidavit, lordship. 2 weeks
30?
time. 31, lordship.
Ms. Chaudhary, you are in this matter?
Yes, your lordship.
Any objection?
No objection insofar as there's an interim order that may be extended.
All right. Your name?
R. Hussain, lordship.
As prayed for by M.S. R. Hussain,
Lordship.
learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 5.
Lordship.
Respondent number 5, which is not opposed by M.S. R.S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist on such and such date, interim if any, shall continue to the next date of listing.
9 to 10. 9 to 10.
9th or 10th.
10.
10. Highly obliged.
May I please? Well, I beg to mention item number 35 of today's list. With the consent of what I said, this matter may come up on next week, my lord.
Rejoinder.
My lord.
They have not filed.
Now, we want to file additional, my lord.
You are for?
I am for the respondent number 10 and 12, my lord.
You've informed the other side.
My lord, I have taken the consent.
As prayed for by Mr.
P.K. Bora, my lord.
P.K. Bora, learned counsel, appearing for the contemner numbers are 10 and 12, which is not, which is consented by the other side, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent contemner to file additional affidavit in the matter.
Oblige, my lord.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 50 to 54. My senior is out of station. Can we adjourn the matter for today?
50 to 54.
Yes, your
So
lordship.
that takes care of the entire supplementary list, I think. Anyway, your name.
And no Kumar.
As prayed for by M.S. So-and-so, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner on the ground that the conducting counsel M.S. Devi, K. Devi, is out of station. Is out of station, which is not opposed by the respondent BTC, relist on such and such date.
Fix the matter next week, your lordship. Next week.
Disa? All right.
My lord, in item 26, my lord, I appear for Mr. D. Gogoi, counsel for petitioner. He's seeking an adjournment today, my lord. He has a difficulty.
Lordship, I'm for the respondent.
As Mr. I. Thakur, learned counsel, informs that the conducting counsel, Mr. D. Gogoi, has personal difficulty today and accordingly seeks adjournment by circulating an advance adjournment slip,
Yes, a slip was circulated.
which is not opposed by the other side. Relist on such and such date.
My lord, interim may be accepted.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
For admission, item number 1 and 2.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, my,
Steps?
yes, my lord, but regarding item number 1, I am no longer in this case, my lord.
And
Yes,
item number 2?
Item number 2, I will appear.
Item 2 filed to some. Rupak, item 2. They are connected matters. Why you're not appearing in one matter then? Earlier you were appearing,
Regarding item number not like to engage me further, my lord.
but the same petitioner.
Same petition.
What is this, Mr. Counsel? The same petitioner is engaging you in one matter, in another matter he is not, and they both are
No, my
connected
lord,
matters.
petitioner number 2 different, my lord. One is different.
Say that then. So in item number 1, which is of 2012, is one Siddhartha Das.
Siddhartha Das.
And in item number 2, it is one Bonoshri Kanika.
Bonusly. I am appear for item number 2.
Who's appearing for the respondents?
Union and states, my lord. There were some cases, my lord. They
What
petitioner.
about respondent number 6? Who's appearing for 6? Private respondents are there. Anybody has appeared? R6, 7, 8. Who are they?
My lord,
Who are they?
6 is the 6 earlier represented, my lord. They are represented, my lord. But engaged counsel has been state respondents.
6,
Sales.
7, 8, Foreigners Tribunal, Tinsukia. 8 is Accountant General. Mr. Kudya, are you appearing for any? Why everybody is so blank in this matter?
As is there in this case, my lord.
Huh?
Additional Advocate General,
Appearing for whom? For all?
my lord, item all by state respondent.
Which additional advocate general?
that
There
is
are
the
too many
name-
additional AAGs. Now I don't know who
Oh,
are
yes.
you referring? Who's appearing?
Name is not shown, my lord, who is appearing, but we are not contacted.
But then what is to be done? Then I will ask the secretary to the Government of Assam Judicial Department to be present, Chief Secretary to be present. What can be done? The 12 matter, 13 matter. The councils knows what is happening.
I will inform
So then
the.
you inform.
Yes,
You inform.
yes, sir.
Say that.
Item 3.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
can we be allowed to withdraw this writ
You want to withdraw?
with liberty, Your Lordship?
All right. What is this matter? Why you want liberty?
Lordship, I cannot contact my client, Your Lordship. I couldn't contact my client, Your Lordship. For the last affidavit
No,
were supposed to
see,
be.
this matter has not been filed by you in person.
Okay.
So if you want to withdraw this petition, you must have the instruction from your client, Mr. Counsel. Filing of cases is not some casual, is not a joke also. You are an officer of the court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You can't withdraw the case because you have lost contact of your client. That cannot be a ground for withdrawal. I'm sorry.
Lordship, there are 3 affidavits has been filed, Your Lordship.
You want time to establish contact with your client. This court is going to accommodate you.
A week may be given then, Your Lordship.
Mr. Chutia, because that cannot be ground for withdrawing. Yeah, send a registered post to your client if you want certain information. And if there is no response, we will see what is to be done from that. And don't make such statements before the court ever. Just because you're not being able to establish contact with your clients. The client's duty was to engage a lawyer. The client has diligently done his duty. Thereafter, it is the responsibility of the counsel. Isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your name?
As Gautam, Your Lordship.
Mr. S. Gotham, learned counsel, submits that since the matter pertains to 2015, his office has lost touch with the client and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to re-establish the contact with the client, with the petitioner, so as to enable the counsel to effectively present the case before this court. Prayer is not opposed. When do you want it?
Lordship, after a week or two.
You have to establish, give a date after 2 weeks. Request on such date. You send a registered post AD.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If your phone calls are not being taken, so that on the next date by filing an affidavit, you bring that on record. Okay?
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item 4.
If 9/9 order is there, Lordship, 9/9/2025, there is an order. Perhaps the petitioner.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. Upamanyu. D Upamanyu,
Yes,
learned counsel appearing for
The Higher Education Department.
the standing counsel higher. It appears that earlier on
9/9/2000.
9/9/2025 as well as on 22/9/2025 also there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner when the matter were called. It further appears that this court on 9/9/2025 was pleased to direct the registry in view of the non-appearance of the petitioner on call to intimate the petitioner of the next date of listing. Despite the same, today when the matter has been called, there has been no representation on behalf of the petitioner. It is also it is seen from the office note dated 11/9/2025 that a copy of this court's order dated 9/9/2025 has been furnished to the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner to intimate the counsel about the next date of listing. Despite the same, and dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 5.
Then appears for the petitioner on call. What is this matter? Enhancement of grade pay. Heard Mr. P. Sharma. PP Doctor, learned counsel appearing for
Standing Council Education.
standing counsel education. Secondary. None appears for none dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item 6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This matter pertains to provincialization of service, Your Lordship. The school authority submitted a proposal for provincialization of service of the incumbents of the school, disregarding the petitioner, Your Lordship, showing his name as access teacher and their date of
Showing his name?
as access teacher, Your Lordship. And
Yes.
their
Pleadings are
date-
Complete.
Lordship.
Yes.
Date of joining, date of appointment was wrongly inserted, Your Lordship, in the proposal submitted by the headmaster, Your Lordship. Later on, the headmaster has submitted a representation before the respondent authorities seeking recall of the earlier proposal, stating that erroneously some date of joining appointment was inserted. So it's sought for fresh, submitting a fresh proposal, inserting date of joining appointment, etc. My lord, your lordship may kindly come to page 32, your lordship.
Yes,
This was the proposal submitted by the headmaster where date of joining and appointment was wrongly inserted
appointment was
of the petitioner, Mohar Ali.
32. 32 is some name. You are Mr.
Mohar Ali, your lordship.
Mohar
Ahad
Ali.
Ali, Akbar Ali, Shah Alam, Sheikh Amir Hussain, then
We are the respondents. You are Mohar Ali,
Mohar Ali,
petitioner.
my lord.
So you are shown as designation as AT Arts, assistant teacher arts, right?
My lord.
So what has been wrongly shown here?
Here, my lord, date of appointment, a date of joining of the restaurant number 7 and 8, wrongly shown as 2004. In fact, the date of joining is 2010, restaurant number 7 and 8, that is at page 38, your lordship.
Yes,
At page 38, your lordship.
yes,
Sheikh Amir Hussain, restaurant number 8, your lordship.
yes,
Akbar Ali, restaurant number 7,
yes. 6, 1, 8, 10 and 6, 8, 10.
my lord.
Yes.
And
So because of this inadvertent error at page 32,
my lord,
their services have been provisionalized
my lord.
and you have been left out.
No, their name was recommended for provincialization and my name is left out.
Where is that list?
My-
That is under challenge.
My lord.
Where is that?
This is a 32 page, your lordship.
No, no.
It's
30.
32. This was submitted,
Oh, that's why it says not recommended.
my lord.
Yes, Ms. Mushahari?
My lord, one more thing.
There is an interim order due to which the respondents and the petitioner service it has not been provincialized, your lordship. And we have filed our affidavit, your lordship, stating that the resolution which was adopted by which he was appointed by the managing committee, your lordship, that resolution is fake, your lordship,
Which resolution?
by which he was.
Page?
Lordship, may I come to paragraph 6, your lordship, page 192. 192.
Yes,
Paragraph 6,
yes.
that the answering deponent humbly begs to state that the inspector of school, DDC Dhubri, so and so, white letter dated 17/11/2020, while submitting the report, it is stated that as per record available in the office of the resolution number 1 adopted in the meeting held on 25/2026 seems to be fake and tempered, your lordship. And next, your lordship, paragraph 8.
Resolution number 1 of 25. This is that page, which is that resolution that where he.
Appointed as the teacher, assistant teacher, your lordship.
The petitioner.
Yes, your lordship. It is
Page?
page 197, your lordship, annexure 2.
Have they filed any rejoinder?
We have not filed, your lordship. Have you filed your reply?
I have not filed a reply.
No, but what do you have to say to this? Your appointment is appears to be fake.
That is not correct, your
No,
lordship.
no, you see, how do this court now knows whether this is correct, not correct? This court has to decide on the basis of pleadings. This is the stand of the government. The government says as per record available in the office of the resolution number 1 adopted in meeting, so and so seems to be fake and tempered.
That
There is a
is-
specific stand taken. You have not
Your-
filed your reply.
Your lordship may kindly come to page 17.
Are you going to file a reply or you're not going to file a reply?
I will file reply, but answer is here also. My lord.
Where? Page?
Page 19 is the order of this Honorable High Court. This present respondent filed on.
Page 19.
Page 17. present respondent number 7 and 8 and another filed one writ petition where some direction.
Filed is seven and respond, those two private respondents,
My lord,
7 and 8.
where I was errata respondent number 8. Here, there was some direction of this Honorable High Court. In pursuance of this direction, my lord, the inspector of school had passed one speaking order, your lordship. That is page 20 onwards,
20,
onwards.
yes.
11 part, your lordship, may kindly come to page 25. May I read, your lordship, from 4th paragraph on perusal.
Yes.
On appraisal of the written statement of the petitioners and the respondents, that the petitioner and the private respondents are also submitted written objection, your lordship. Respondent in WBC number 880/2013 and also on perusal documents available in the office and submitted by them, it is seen that the clear document are found in favor of the following persons as genuine teachers of the Dubasari High School,
Serial number 4 is the petitioner.
my lord. And this is the finding of the
23/5/2006. It's
this is the
there.
finding of the
Genuine.
inspector of school, your lordship. How inspector of school can take a different stand?
Ms.
After,
Koshahari,
and this was, and regarding against this document, my lord, nothing has been stated by the respondent, government respondent, your lordship. And this was passed by inspector of school.
For the respondent number 7, my lord, I have submitted the affidavit in petition, my lord. So I have annexed the correct resolution, the original resolution, and the force one.
no, that is all right,
Yes,
but
my
this page 29, which has been just shown, was pursuant to a direction of this court. And thereafter, upon an inquiry pursuant to the direction of this court, the inspector of schools have found the appointment genuine. Now, if you are aggrieved, you could have filed, you could have challenged that. That is not challenged. Now, how this court will go into all these disputed question of facts in a writ proceeding?
Hmm.
It appears that, in fact, you had filed that case, right? It was your case. You went to the court bringing your grievance against the appointment of the petitioner. The court said you inquired. Inquiry was done. Result is already there at page 19.
That is because at that point of time, my lord, the headmaster, headmaster of that particular school, my lord, was suspended. And there was a conspiracy.
I don't know all that.
Yes, my lord, I have.
No,
I
but
have
you see,
recorded everything, my lord,
no,
on
if
record.
you were aggrieved with that finding of the inquiry, have you challenged?
Not.
Then you have not challenged it.
After that inquiry, my lord, my name was sent in the list.
So
my lord.
whatever, but you have not challenged that inquiry.
But subsequently, my lord.
You filed your affidavit here.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, you file an affidavit reply.
My lord, kindly have a look at this.
Because it will be difficult to dispose of it in this manner because there appears there is some disputed question of facts. I have understood your point. I was thinking of disposing it of based on the inquiry, but it seems there is also a disputed question of fact. And if there are disputed question of facts, your writ will only be not maintainable. So since they have brought all this in their affidavit, I think you play safe. You file your reply. After that, let us decide it. All right.
My lord, I have also brought.
I understand you filed your AO on 10/12/2025. I've seen it.
Yes, my lord.
So that is why I'm asking him to put his reply.
Another aspect is that, my lord, they had filed other petitions, my lord. So in their petition, my lord, the projected, the force resolution, my lord, was shown in a different way, my lord. I have also annexed that petition, the copy of that petition,
Where?
along with my. Yes, my lord.
Will you file or not?
I will file, my lord.
Otherwise, I'm disposing it off on whatever is available.
I will file my reply.
Which page?
Uh, 71.
70?
71. Earlier it was marked as 29, my lord, from 1 to started. Page 71, my lord. Case number is 6494. WPC 6494, my lord.
WPC?
6494. This is the petition, my lord. They had filed, my lord.
How many petition is there? Which is your affidavit? You are R8, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
So there is an affidavit of yours filed on 17/10/2023. Are you referring to that affidavit?
Yes, madam.
Which paragraph?
This is Annexure D.
Lecture A is in vernacular.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
My lord, paragraph 14, my lord. Page 52, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may I read the relevant paragraph, my lord?
I think this is not the affidavit that you are relying. The date.
My lord, earlier it was page numbered from 1 to
Well,
111. Subsequently, it was renumbered, my lord.
As what?
As starting from 44, my lord.
No, no.
Yes, my lord.
7. Affidavit of respondent.
Affidavit of respondent.
Which paragraph are you relying?
14, my lord. Paragraph 14, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, paragraph 14 in this affidavit is the statements made in this affidavit in opposition in para 1 so and so are true to the best of my knowledge. It is that paragraph. Liquid. This affidavit starts from 44 now. It is also of respondent number 8, and this is the paragraph 14 in the court's file.
Paragraph 7, my lord. Paragraph 7.
Then why are you saying page 44? Anyway, I heard Mr. Sorry?
A. Rahman.
A. Rahman, learned counsel. So the petitioner also heard MSD Mushahari, learned standing counsel. Secondary education for respondent numbers. And Mr.
A. Rashid, my lord.
A. Rashid
Yeah, my lord.
for respondent number
Correspondent 7, my lord.
7. Mr. So and so seeks a short accommodation to file reply against the affidavit in oppositions filed by the respondent number 7, 8, and the education department. Prayer is allowed, relist on such give a date after 1 week. You file it within a week's time.
My lord, 2 weeks time may be given, my lord.
It's a 2019 matter. Why have you not filed till date? I'm accommodating you. Be grateful.
I have
File it within a week's time.
I have
My lord, it is
filed
correct,
against
my lord.
3 affidavits.
All right. Next date.
I have to file.
Next.
Item 7.
Yes, Mr. Fukan.
Lordship, in this matter, we were supposed to file an affidavit, my lord. I have sent it for signing and waiting, my lord. So I seek, my lord, 10 days time, my lord, matter can come up then, my lord, because there was some, they had sent it, my lord, some correction was there, my lord. So I had to send it back again.
Mr. Hawk.
With several occasions, they have taken time. 10 days, my lord.
All right, 10 days. Mr. Fukan is there. He will get it. As prayed for by Mr. A. Fukan, legislating council, SA, na?
SAD.
SAD, relist after on such and such date to enable the state respondent file reply in the matter, which is not opposed by Mr. ABT Hawk, Learned Counsel for the petition.
Date may be one date. Deeply obliged.
Item 8 and 9.
Yes, Miss Bora?
May I please, Your Lordship? Item number 8, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, matter precisely, if Your Lordship say, a method of provincialization, pertains to provincialization of the service of this petitioner to petitioners of Catholic Mission ME schools, Your Lordship. Now it's a connected matter to item number 9.
Mr. Das, you're appearing in both?
Nine.
You're appearing only in 9?
In 9.
In
Your
8, who's appearing?
I'm appearing, Your Lordship, as a petitioner
No,
from.
no, and Mr. Das, you are the petitioner in item 9?
Respondents.
Respondent.
8, 9, 10.
You are the petitioner in 9. So we are having item 8 first. Who is
Yes.
the respondent in item 8?
8 and 9.
In 8.
8 and included respondent number.
All right. I'm taking up 8 first because Ms. Bora is making the submission in item 8. Yes.
Now, if Your Lordship kindly come to page number 20, Your Lordship. It is a list, Your Lordship, published by the Director of, that is respondent number 4, Your Lordship, Director of Elementary Education, Your Lordship. Here, my name is at 30 row, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Column 11, Your
Yes.
Lordship. That is Pranjit Hajorika, that is petitioner number 1. And petitioner number 2, that is Sopan Kumar Biswas, Your Lordship.
Sopan
Kumar Biswas, Your
Biswas.
Lordship.
Yes.
These 2 petitioners, Your Lordship.
They are the
My name
petitioners.
is, yes, my name is there, Your Lordship.
As I've seen.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now, what happened, Your Lordship?
Is the petitioner in item number 9 also in this list? No.
No, no, no,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Okay.
Now, what happened, Your Lordship? During this process, Your Lordship, one petition, some of the teachers from the same.
This is the list for what is this list for recommending you for provincialization?
Provincialization, Your Lordship.
Yes.
In this process, Your Lordship, some of the teachers from the school, Your Lordship, filed this item number 9, Your Lordship. That is 3393/2013. In that case, Your Lordship, on dated 2 March 16, the Honorable Court opined that our school comes under minority institution, so it cannot be provincialized because Article 30 comes into play, Your Lordship, Constitution. So now, Your Lordship, the petitioner and respondent filed their respective reviews, Your Lordship. That review has been allowed, and the impune effect of minority education has gone, Your Lordship. Now that is not my case, Your Lordship, because that impune effect was.
Where is all that?
Yes, 2 March 16 order is there, Your Lordship. At page number, Your Lordship.
Where is the order of this
Yes,
court?
yes, Your Lordship. 63, Your Lordship. Lordship will find it at relevant portion 66, Your Lordship.
Yes.
After that, Your Lordship, my process of provincialization got stuck, Your Lordship. After that, what happened, Your Lordship? Both the petitioner and respondent filed their respective reviews, Your Lordship. That order is at page number, Your Lordship. Start from 118, Your Lordship. 26/2025, Your Lordship.
118.
Your Lordship. The relevant portion you will find, Your Lordship, 118. I have an rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And
118.
Lordship.
118 is not the annexure. It is it's the last page of your rejoinder. That swearing in paragraphs. Which is the annexure? Okay, this
This
is.
is the rejoinder. Actually, I have annexed with the rejoinder affidavit, Your Lordship.
Is it?
I think rejoinder affidavit is in the
Are you referring to annexure 1? The order?
order of Your Lordship, 26/2025, Your Lordship.
No, this is 2. This is not the one.
Means that
Why
is in-
the page numbers are all,
not
this is
correct,
an
Your Lordship.
affidavit in opposition. Your rejoinder,
I have filed my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
your rejoinder is not on record. Your rejoinder is not on record. There are 2 affidavit in
Filed
opposition.
it earlier, Your Lordship.
One filed by respondent 8 and 9 and one filed by respondent number 4. It's
This-
not on record.
Rejoinder, I have filed one rejoinder, but
It's not on record. You all have received it, the rejoinder.
Please address it, please.
See, Ms. Bora, it's not there. And what is in item 9?
My lord, my name is.
Mr. Das, yours item 9.
Yes. My name is start from the provincialization list of provincialization. As my junior's name is in the list of provincialization, Lordship.
Yet pleadings were complete as a NESOC.
Nagliganda is not there, Your Lordship.
In your case also, you have filed a rejoinder.
No.
No, because it's not there. That is item 9 too. 9 or 5. No, you have filed an affidavit in reply.
What?
Anyway, I think Mr. Das, since these two cases are connected, I can have it relist on Tuesday. Let registry place the rejoinder on record. Because it's not fair to proceed without the rejoinder on record.
Otherwise, Your Lordship permits me, I can just lay out, my lord.
It's not necessary. You save your energy till for the next date,
This
Mr. Das.
petition, everything can be sent back to the tribunal. Because-
You want this on, because tomorrow is the last working day, then the next working day is Tuesday. That is why I'm fixing it on Tuesday. Heard MSG Bora item gita belek belek kori diba. Please give all the names. G Bora in item 8 and
SRN Nasir for item number
9 and Mr. Das in item 9, senior counsel assisted by
It's Ardek.
R. Deka and Mr. Jiuddin in both items or only in he's appearing in both items for respond numbers?
In first manner.
But just give it a common server number. It appears that in item number 8, I so and so, the rejoinder which has been filed by the petitioner is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record and relist on such and such date.
deeply obliged. Item 11. Lordship, in the meantime, in the pendency of this writ petition, some of the petitioner got retired. So I want to file an additional affidavit.
As prayed for by Mr.
Asif Ali.
So and so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner file additional affidavit in the
And then they want to file then my affidavit.
In the meantime, the respondents are at liberty to complete the return if they're so advised.
That's okay. After 3 weeks, madam. 20. Item 12.
Parties or non-payment of payment of pension. And this honorable court passed this with a squarely covert manner. Now, Panchayat Secretary, my lord.
Can pass a similar order?
Lordship, I pray for small accommodation.
Why?
Because we have filed a review. It is to be, permission has been granted by the registry to be listed on 20th of January.
Not yet listed.
Yeah, so
You file a review here also then.
the matter may come after the review has been disposed of. Small
Why should I do that? Is there a stay order?
stay order.
Then
No.
just because you file a review. You filed a review in which in this 1472.
No, Lordship, we have filed a review against the order of the IA.
Which I?
Yes, 237 of 2025.
Look at this case is disposed of upon a submission made by both sides that it was the issue is squarely covered by the judgment and order of this court in the case of Noor Hussain Molla versus so and so.
My lord, writ appeal number 133.
And accordingly, the case was disposed of.
Lordship,
So
there
now
was-
you have filed a review where?
Lordship, against this order of the IA,
I believe there is a copy of that.
Which I?
IA 237 of 2025.
No, but that's not before this court.
Not, no, but
They are relying on WPC 1472. You have a look. You have a look. I'll call it up after the next matter. You have a look at this. I think it can be disposed of. Because it was a consensus submission made on the basis of which earlier that case was disposed of. Have a look. If it is covered, we will dispose it of. Yes.
Item 13.
in this case, my lord, also my lord, the family non-payment of family pension, my lord. The husband of the petitioner, my lord, serving as office assistant, my lord,
Family pension.
pension, my lord. But major issue, my lord,
What
already
is your instruction?
Lordship, the finance department has rejected the proposal.
Directed?
Rejected the proposal.
Rejected the proposal. Why?
Because they say that it was a one-time measure and that could not be done any further. No,
no
any-
affidavit has been filed, my lord.
Place it.
eh,
Let him get an opportunity to rebut.
In that case, my lord, the qualifying service has been.
Heard Mr. K.R. Patgiri, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
AK Ghosh.
A.K. Ghosh, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
Mr. Cake Mo, additional agent.
Huh?
Mr. Cake Mo.
K. Moore, learned additional Advocate General, State of Assam. Mr. So-and-so submits an letter dated 17. What is the date? 20.
This is 27/10/2025.
So-and-so issued from the office of the PNRD Guwahati, whereby the finance department is informed about the finance department, whereby it is informed that the finance department has rejected the proposal of the petitioner
Not petitioner, but
Hmm?
423 numbers of provincial
So
sponsored,
even you are also a part of it,
my lord.
isn't it? That's your instruction.
Yes, Lordship.
Rejected the case of 423 numbers of retired provincial EXPD. What does EXPD means? Provincialized expired provincialized employees who had retired from service on or after 1/10/1991 after serving more than 10 years and but less than 20 years. Let a copy of the same be placed on record by filing by way of an affidavit released on such and such date.
17. Item 14.
Yes, Mr. Saikia. This matter has come up after notice for the first time. You want to file affidavit? Huh? Because it's come for the first time. Let them file the return. Everybody is represented.
Lordship, I am for BTC, my lord.
Heard Mr. R.C. Saikia, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard MS
B. Bora.
B. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of.
Respondent 3, 4, and 5.
No, you are standing counsel.
Standing house.
Learned Standing Counsel BTC, appearing on behalf of respondent numbers 3, 4, and 5. And MS D. Mushahari, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department. Respondent numbers 1 and 2. As prayed for by the learned counsels appearing for the respondents, relists on such and such date to enable the respondent complete return in the matter.
The name of BTC may be reflected.
Let the name of the standing counsels for the respondent departments be reflected in the cause list by the registry. By the registry.
Repeal.
Item 15.
item. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary?
May please. Well, uh, my husband died in 2009, Melody, and pension I have been getting, Melody, at present. That is not on the revised pay. Melody.
So
The-
that
the-
is under
Yes,
challenge.
yes.
Lordship, it was first Baksa, he was working in Baksa BTC. Now Joint Director of Baksa has written to the government that we have sent back the file, everything, and now department is. written
You
to
came
the-
running.
Yeah.
Did you come running?
Yes, Lordship.
Do you want a glass of water?
Di-
No, no, no.
well, the director
And
of
now,
ours-
now Lordship, government has written to the Accountant General for relevant document to reconstruct the file because it is 2011.
So you want some time.
Yes, Lordship.
Well, the director I used to was newly implemented, Melody. in the-
Mhm.
Director I used, Melody,
Director Ayush has no
Was-
role.
was implemented in this newly, Melody. And earlier occasion also, Melody, they are taking time, Melody, for long time.
This is last communication, Lordship, may.
All right, I'm giving her the last time.
Yes.
Let her complete her instructions. Heard Mr. D. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS S. Sharma, Learned. You're appearing as
Health Department.
Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, and you're there.
Yes,
MS
B. Bora.
B. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel,
Correspondent number 3.
BTC, and MS A. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, AG. Stop. MS so-and-so Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and so-and-so, seeks a short accommodation to place up-to-date instruction in the matter. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that no further accommodation shall be given to the respondents to file the additional affidavit as prayed for. Is it all right? 19th, you can file it? So you bring it whatever you want to bring it by then.
Much.
Item 16.
Yes, Mr. Das?
Yes. The petitioners, before your lordships, are stenographer grade 3 in the SCRT department. Now, my lord, why we have come up before this court? One of the employee of SCRT, she retired. Her grade pay was 8,700. Initially, it was 2,900. All the departments, it was increased as per ROP rules 2017. So it was 8,700. Once she retired from SCRT, then suddenly notice has been received that you are not entitled to get 8,700. You are entitled to get 7,400.
Lesser.
Why? Why? The reason is that in the ROP rule 2017, it is only indicated the Secretariat Administrative Department, the employees stenographer grade 3 is entitled to get it because it is reflected 8,700 as stenographer grade 3 in Secretariat Administrative Department. That was the reason in this department reduced. Now we were also working, all these petitioners. So on the basis of that order, all the employees working in SCRT, their salary grade pay were reduced from 8,700 to 7,400.
About
We are-
1,000.
Yes, we agreed, we are before this court. Now, our stand before this court, that there is one rule.
There is one rule.
One rule, service rule, which governs the entire of the stenographer grade 3, entire, departments, not only the SCR department. We are governed by one rule only. We are not governed by different set of rules. So how, can you treat us as a different class? Because if it would have been a different rule, then I could have understood. It is the same rule. Number two, that there is we have annexed document to show that there are other departments. We have annexed those and brought notice to the court.
Higher grade.
They are getting 8,700. One. Number two, they are also stenographer grade 3. They are guided by the same rules. So if other departments are getting, why our department you have reduced. That's our case.
Which is
Now-
your department, finance?
Mine is, my department is SCRT.
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 Yes.
Yes, now there is an affidavit which is filed by the state.
And the departments that you have brought on record where they
Yes.
are still having 8,000,
Yes.
what are those departments?
Those department, industry department, those are the forest department, agriculture department. These are
Under
they
the
are-
state.
Yeah, they have indicated in the affidavit also. This,
Yes.
they have indicated in the affidavit, affidavits have been exchanged. Now they stand,
On what basis you say you are governed by only one set of rules?
that is
and
admitted fact by.
that's an admitted
Yes,
fact.
admitted
And
fact.
under that rule,
Yes.
the
All
8,000,
Yes, all 8,700. We have also by our document, we have shown it is 8,700 in all these
what
departments.
is the stand of the respondent?
The stand of the respondent, now they are thinking very seriously, the finance department. They are saying we are reviewing it. We are reviewing it. They are also aware of it. Other departments are getting it. 8,700.
Mr. Nayak is smiling.
Yes, sir. If Lordship comes to page 92, page 92. Lordship, this is the basis. This is a notification issued by the finance department.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes, yes. Readings of them.
SCRT has filed its affidavit. Recently, I received one instruction from the finance department. It is the specific stand of the department that stenographer grade 3 of any other departments are not entitled to grade pay of rupees 8,700.
You want to bring this by way of an
It is
affidavit?
necessary, I think.
So then you bring it and this matter is already admitted.
Yes, yes.
It's admitted.
It is.
The only issue, Lordship, as regard Lordship, applicability of this notification, either to only to the employees of SCRT or any other, I mean, Secretariat Administration or any other department. That is the issue.
It's come under what column today? For admission, no? So it's
Yes.
not admitted.
Admission. Because
No, why I'm asking is in that case, I will admit it. I'll give them the time and then let them file it and then we can fix it for hearing.
One, the problem is that I be respectful to submit for this court. That all other departments are getting 8,000.
No, I've understood.
Suddenly.
Mr. Das, ultimately the matter has to be
No,
heard,
I
right?
don't mind. My lordship will admit it and let it come for admission hearing in this matter.
Very
Hearing-
well, then let him first file it. We'll
File.
keep it in the admission stage and
Yes.
I'll make an observation that an endeavor shall be made to
Yes,
dispose
right,
it
right.
out. Heard Mr. D. Das, Leonard Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
Our sense.
R. Senswa, Leonard Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. P. Nayak, Leonard Additional Advocate General for the State of Assam. Also finance here.
All the department, all state departments.
And anybody appearing? Mr. R.K. Talukdar, yes. Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 4. Mr. Nayak submits that an up-to-date instruction has been received by his office and accordingly seeks some accommodation to place the same by way of an affidavit. Prayer is not opposed, relist on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that upon filing the additional affidavit, an endeavor shall be made to dispose of the case at the admission stage.
Only one prayer that new ROP rules may come at any stage. New
As
ROP.
I'm not
So
on
if that be the case.
Yes, next. Sorry.
Item 17. Where are your lordship?
Your counterparts are missing in action.
Mr. Talukdar.
Mr. Talukdar, elementary, affidavit,
Affidavit not filed, my lord, but
Hmm.
as per my lord, his prayer, my lord. If your lordship kindly peruse the prayer. Then my lord, his
Page
only given
20.
says that
page,
Page 20, Lordship.
yes.
Direction is taken also for determination of seniority, Lordship, by
District
counting the
wise.
days of
District.
joining, because nowadays, Lordship, district-wise garrison list is prepared for the upper primary schools.
Yes,
So that they have not done, under duty wise.
yes. What do you want to say,
getting the
Mr.
proportional Lordship.
Talukdar?
my lord, as your, if your lordship directed us to this process within time frame, my lord. And we have no opposition.
You are seeking in other words, you're seeking a disposal.
My lord.
Look at the facts of the case is that initially they were appointed during 1993. Thereafter,
You are basically, you have no instructions to oppose prayer A,
My lord.
isn't it?
Prayer, we have no.
because nowadays what happened also after 2010, the district wise.
If I dispose of this case allowing prayer A, you have a problem.
No,
No, because you are submitting. That is why I thought you may have some objection.
no.
Huh? How much time? 1 month?
3 month, my lord.
3 months is too much.
2 month, my lord.
Anyway, at that time you think,
My lord.
I'm not going to give 3 months. That is quite a
6
lot. Heard Mr. A. Deka,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. And anyone there? D. Mushahari, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent numbers 4 and 5. Though returns have not yet been filed on behalf of the state respondents, however, upon the consensus arrived between the parties, the matter is taken up for final disposal at the admission stage. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking direction to the respondent authorities to determine the seniority of the petitioners district-wise by counting initial date of joining in the concerned school, and also publish the graduation list amongst the teachers of the upper primary school Kamrup. Inter alia queridiba. The brief facts of the case is that the petitioners were appointed as assistant teacher in upper primary school under Kamrup Rural District in the year 1993 to 1994 by orders issued by DEO Kamrup. Initially, the petitioners were receiving salary for 19 months up to June 1995 from the date of appointment, and thereafter salary was stopped due to not having retention to the post. Thereafter, upon regularization of service, while ordered in 9/10/2002, the petitioners started receiving salary with effect from the month of May 2001 till date. It is the specific case of the petitioners that the service period rendered by the petitioner from July 1995 to April 2001 has not been regularized by treating as on duty in service with service benefits, though they continuously rendered service. It is the further case of the petitioners that after regularization, the respective GPF account number has been allotted to them, and they are also entitled for pension under the Assam Service Pension Rules 1969. It is the further contention of the petitioners that the district-wise gradation list of UP schools has also not been prepared as per rules and notification, thereby causing prejudice to the petitioners for getting an opportunity to be considered for promotion to the post of headmaster. Stop. It is in this premises that this writ petition has been filed before this court. Mr. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that due to non-determining the seniority of the petitioners district-wise by counting initial date of joining in the concerned school and non-publishing thereof the gradation list amongst the teachers of the subject post, the petitioners have been totally detrimented and prejudiced. Stop. Mr. B. Talukdar, per contra, submits that he has received no instruction to oppose the prayer number A of the writ petition, and fairly submits that the writ petition can be disposed of by directing the respondents to determine the seniority of the petitioner district-wise by counting initial joining of the petitioner in the concerned school Stop. Having heard the learned counsels for the parties and having perused the pleadings, I am of the opinion that in the interest of justice, this petition can be disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to take the necessary steps to determine the seniority of the petitioners district-wise by counting initial date of joining in concerned school, and also publish the gradation list amongst the teachers of the upper primary school Kamrup R. That should be sufficient. It is needless to be clarified that the entire exercise shall be carried out within a period of
6 weeks. 60 days.
60 days.
6 weeks not.
60 days from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order. Disposed of.
Well,
I'll be 1 and 2.
Yes, Ms. Verma?
I cannot appear against the FT. And it is regarding regularized his services lordship.
So who are the respondents who's going to appear in this matter?
It is definitely not, as I would be representing Home and Political B Department.
They are not here.
They are not a party here, lordship.
Who are the respondents, mister? It's an old matter.
One K Paraswar Ardhor.
I think in the morning, someone said the additional AG is going to appear. That is why I kept this matter. Who is appearing? I think he's not there today. Someone had taken time on his behalf today. Anyway, I'll post this on another date. You figure out.
And lordship, it's not a matter where we are spending.
Your name is not there, right?
Yes, lordship.
So it's all right.
I was just informed that lordship wanted us here.
No, there was no representation on
Yes,
behalf
lordship.
of the
FT.
respondents. It's not FT in general. I didn't say about FT,
Yes.
but someone mentioned that the additional AG is going to appear. That is why I kept the matter. And it's an old matter, 12 and 13. So nobody was sure who is appearing. If the additional AG is appearing his office, someone should have been here. In fact, I indicated in that case, I'll call the respondents, whoever are there, to the court if the additional AG is not interested in appearing. Even now, nobody is sure. But who is there for state? Mr. Chutia, you are for the state only. Why don't you inform the officers of the additional AGs? What kind of, these matters cannot keep on waiting for the office of the AGs and additional AGs to appear before the court. Court times cannot be taken for granted. This was the first 2 matters on the board. Despite giving them chance, now it's 11:30. Still nobody is here. Ms. Verma, it's all right. You take your seat. You are not there.
Lordship, can I leave?
Yes.
Much obliged, lordship.
Next week. That will be taken up in next week.
Heard Mr. D. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner.
Regarding item number.
I will. I remember. None appears for the respondents on call. Mr. Bora submits that the petitioner in WPC 186/2012 have instructed him not to appear any longer in the aforesaid case
And he had
on
taken the-
behalf of the petitioner and has also taken away the brief. He accordingly submits that he shall not be appearing further any longer for Siddhartha Das, I, petitioner in WPC 186 of 2012. However, he continues and appearing in WPC 2019 of 2013 on behalf of Srimati Banoshri Kalita. Stop. It appears that despite the names of the learned counsels appearing for the state respondents, there is no representation before the court. There are a lot of names. It is also submitted before the court that the office of the additional AG that the additional AG of the state is going to appear in the matter when the matter was initially called at 10:30 in the morning, as the matter has been listed as item number 1 and 2 of the board. However, since there was no representation from the office of the additional AG, the matter was passed over for the time being. When the matter has been recalled at 11:30, there is still no appearance on behalf of the additional AG, nor there has been any junior of the additional AG concerned before this court at the time the matter has been called. Mr. T.J. Sutia informs the court that the office of Mr. Who is appearing? No, who is appearing? Kekwar. That Mr. Kekwar, Leonard AG, additional AG, is going to be appearing in this matter. It is a set state of affairs that when matters are being called, that too of 2012 and 2013, there is no representation on behalf of the state. Because of the non-cooperation of the state respondents, the matter stands adjourned to such and such date. It is expected that on the next date, so and so, there will be due representation on behalf of the state, failing which the respondents shall be personally present before this court on that date.
28-2. Edition. Item number 18.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, we have received the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 1 and 2. We are supposed to file a rejoinder, Your Lordship. We seek some time to file a rejoinder.
You want to file some time to file a rejoinder?
Yes.
Your name?
Miss R.A. Chaudhary.
MS R.A.
R.A. Yes.
Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, seeks a short accommodation to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Prayer is allowed, relist on such and such date.
Your Lordship, any fixed date? Fixed date.
The problem is that you all come prepared, so you don't hear what is happening in the court. He's already giving the dates.
Yes.
If you stay aware, you will know.
Yes. Deeply aware.
Item 19. My lord, this matter relates to selection and appointment to the post of Anganwadi helper. My lord, my case was rejected only on the ground that I passed out HSLC examination from CBSE.
Item number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Some instructions is required,
Yes,
Mr. Chutia.
Yeah, I have received, my lord, because petitioner is not under the SEBA or council. That was, my lord, in advertisement. Advertisement is also there, my lord,
But then I think you have to bring it on record.
by affidavit.
My
Yes,
lord,
I-
Let him.
Yes, but during pendency of the writ petition, but there is a stay order. Because this honorable court.
That's all right, but the instructions has to be now brought on record. Then after you submit whatever you have to submit.
Otherwise, lordship can dispose of because it is a written statement, a written instruction, my lord, only that point, my lord.
Which point?
That is the-
Come on.
Yes, he does
Kamal.
not put this a SEBA or council. He's from Meghalaya. In advertisement skills change, my lord. I have pointed out.
My lord, this honorable court already held that CBSE and SEBA are equivalent and therefore there is stay, my lord, not to publish the select list. In spite of that, my lord, select list has been published. Another person has been appointed in violation of this honorable court.
All right, you bring it, Mr. Chutia. Heard, Mr.
Answer.
And Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the state respondent. Mr. So-and-so submits that he has received instruction in the matter and accordingly shall place the same by way of an affidavit. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date.
Shorted negative.
Etu ghurai dibo, huh?
21.
Is it all right, Mr. Chutia?
Item 21.
Yes.
Very clear, Your Lordship. On petitioner behold, Lordship, he is a retired agricultural inspector, my lord, in the year 2023.
Affidavit.
Let's see, we have received inspection 2 weeks time, maybe not much.
All right. As prayed for by MS,
Vibora.
V. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for respond numbers.
Agriculture department.
Standing Council Agriculture Corridor, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent file return in the matter. Deca, it will have changed corridor that she has received instructions and accordingly.
Date may be, my lord, please. No problem. I'm for resident number 6.
Let's, one more after five.
You call him, together you approach the court master. If both of you are agreed, the date will get changed.
Item 22 and 23.
Catch hold of him before he leaves.
Not your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Das.
In item 5275, that order is there. Order is
5275.
5275.
5275, sir.
Order is there 10/9/25.
10,
So according-
notice.
Yes. Notice, and we have taken dusty service.
Yes, what do you want to
The-
show?
No, we have taken dusty service, and the matter relates to whether the person, if he is transferred from one place to other in public interest, whether he loses his seniority. This is the only question now. All of the post is lying vacant since
Yes,
24.
Lordship, regarding there are two petitions before your lordship
The
today.
same issue. Madam.
We have filed an affidavit in opposition in the second petition, which
Yes.
is WPC 1350. We filed an affidavit in that case as to why the petitioner's gradation there is a fresh gradation list as to, and that actually explains as to why the petitioner was not selected for that post, and why somebody else was appointed
No,
in
the
his
selection
place.
has not been done.
Yes.
And accordingly, that's gradation list which we had filed in our affidavit in opposition is under challenge in this current writ petition, in this WPC number
5275.
5275, Lordship. So on the basis of that, we have also asked for instructions from the department. That instruction is awaited as to regarding what is the.
In
In
5275.
5275.
They have already filed affidavit in the.
He said that.
You can
Now, in 5275, how much time do you need for instruction?
Lordship may give me 2 weeks time.
Why 2 weeks?
Then as.
You've already filed your affidavit
Yes,
in the
please.
first case.
Yes,
Get your instruction in another 1 week's time.
Lordship.
I'll post it after a week's time.
Lordship.
You file it.
Lordship.
I'm giving you the time,
Lordship.
not more than that.
Lordship,
So
Lordship.
25 matter, let him take some time.
Lordship.
But it will come for admission hearing.
Heard Mr. Bidas, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. So and so, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners. Also heard Mr.
M. Bhuya, Lordship.
M. Bhunyal, Learned Counsel appearing for
Mr. B. Gogoi.
P. Gogoi, for
Health
which was
Department.
Health Department. And Mr.
For 4 and 5 minutes,
A.K. Ajad, 4 and 5. Mr. So-and-so submits that though an affidavit in opposition has been filed in WPC 1350 of 2025, however, due to want of instruction in WPC 5275 of 2025, the same could not be filed. However, Mr. So-and-so further submits that, further seeks to a 1 week time to file return in WPC 5275 of 2025. Prayer is not opposed, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent a complete return in the matter. It'll come
for admission hearing.
Let him file, Mr. Das.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item 24.
Disciplinary proceedings. Yes, Mr. Barthakur.
Instructions have been received.
You have received?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. I. Barthakur, Learned Standing Counsel, Forest Department, submits that he has received the instructions in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of return. Prayer is not opposed by MS. F. Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Relist on such and such dates.
Corrective interim is there.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Okay.
Item 25.
Yes, Mr. Deka.
May it please the Lordship, case of non-payment of the retirement due. No affidavit, no nothing, my lord, but if your Lordship kindly.
Who's there? Handloom Textile.
Handloom and textiles.
Yes, Handloom Textile. Huh? And Junior Government Advocate R3 is also there. You're there for R3. And what about Khadi Board? What is wrong? Why are the lawyers not in court today?
He was appearing on the first day, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, his name is there. He's generally there. Mr. Dhar is always there in court.
But to be fair, my lord, his name is not shown.
Munir's name is
Yes,
not
sir.
shown.
It is name is.
All right, I'll have
Yes,
it
sir.
posted next week. Then let his name be reflected and you inform Mr. Dhar also.
Yes.
Generally, he's always there in court. Heard Mr. N. Dekar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Chakrabarti, learned junior government counsel, appearing for respondent number 3. However, there is no appearance on behalf of the Handloom Textile Department within bracket R1 and 2 and the Khadi Board within bracket respondent numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7. It appears that the name of the standing counsel Khadi Board respondent 4, 5, 6 and 7 is not reflected in the cause list. Relist on such and such date reflecting the name of the standing counsels of the respective departments in the matter.
No bless.
You inform, Mr. Dekar?
Item 27. May I please, Lordship? Against the dismissal order followed by criminal case, Your Lordship.
Huh? Followed by a criminal case.
Criminal case. in
Who's
which
appearing?
I have been acquitted honorably.
Who's appearing for the other side? Government counsel, Mr. Chutia, you are there. You've been acquitted in the criminal case.
Lordship.
Same charges,
Lordship. Given number.
same witnesses.
Six. Given number. 4332. 27. Okay. Oh, my lord, here.
We have received an instruction, my lord. That was, my lord, say, appeal was pending against the, my lord, impugned order of dismissal. And that appeal was as per, my lord, information from the superintendent of police. They said, my lord, the report reflected the previous order passed by the inspector IGP. You have so and so on 29th of May 2024, with an opinion that the order passed by the disciplinary authorities affirmed and is not liable to be set aside. However, no further communication. That means appeal was dismissed. So he will have to challenge the appeal ballot, appeal order.
He's challenged his dismissal order.
Dismissal
He'll
order.
bring that order may not have been communicated to him.
That is ballot, that is the my instruction.
No, but that doesn't show that it has been communicated to the petitioner.
That is not shown, madam.
Then, if it is not communicated to the petitioner, how do you expect the petitioner challenge that order?
Yes.
So this order, this case is there now, you have to file your affidavit. If you're not filing the affidavit, I will decide it right now.
Whether they have communicated or not. If not
Mr.
communicated.
Chutia, even if it is communicated, at the end of the day, that is an alternative remedy, right? He can if it is Mr. Counsel, if the order is communicated, you bring it by way of an affidavit.
I'll check.
You bring it.
Appeal order.
Yes.
Affidavit, they might suppose to submit affidavit. Your Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, have you heard the submission of Mr.
Lordship,
Chutia?
I'll
That
bring an-
you have preferred an appeal. That appeal is now dismissed.
Lord,
So that has to be also challenged.
Lord, I'll
Yes
bring-
or no?
Lord, I'll bring an.
Now I am making it easy for you that instead of withdrawing this and refiling, I'm giving you an opportunity to file it by way of an additional affidavit
Lord,
because it's no point of unnecessarily lingering this matter. And they will file their affidavit.
I'll do.
So your name?
Archit.
Mr. R. Chetri, petitioner, DC Chutia, respondent state. Mr. Chutia submits that upon instruction that the appeal filed by the petitioner has been dismissed. However, return has not yet been filed in the matter. Let the return be submitted before the court by the state respondents. In the meantime, petitioner is at liberty to file an additional affidavit bringing the order of dismissal of the appeal on record.
24.
Agree.
Okay.
May it please your lordship. My lord, petitioner, she belongs to the T-type community, my lord, ex-TCL community. Page 13 is the annexure 1 is the certificate.
Caste certificate.
Caste certificate, my lord. That
What-
was issued by the.
You are aggrieved by
Non-issuing of the-
non-issuance of the caste certificate.
But already admissions are over. And the deputy commissioner, who is the competent authority, my lord, he has issued the certificate, but that has certificate, another form is there during the medical admission. That form has to be countersigned by the director, T-types welfare and Adivasi welfare. My lord.
But he has not done that because he said that last occasion, there was the instruction that there was a complaint from one, my lord, student union. So, my lord,
Did you participate in the ensuing counseling schedule? You have.
He was not eligible due to some percentage of marks, my lord. But next year he is participating. So
What
issue had to be
is
decided.
done? What is to
My
be
lord,
done now?
actually, on the basis of a complaint,
Affidavits have not been filed.
evidence not filed, my lord, yet.
Who's going to file?
Respondent number 3, director, my lord.
Yes,
So, my lord,
because the immediate urgency perhaps is gone because the petitioner has not qualified under the counseling. But the issue of the issue here is that you have not issued the caste certificate. Unless and until this is done, they will be, if they are entitled, then they would be prejudiced in the next
year.
election.
And her siblings are also there, my lord.
So that is the issue. You filed your affidavit.
Yes, yes.
Why?
We have received instruction.
You have received?
We'll file.
Okay. Heard Mr. J.C. Gogoi, na?
My lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T.G. Chutian, learned additional senior government advocate for the state respondent, and Mr. D. Uppamanyu, learned standing counsel, Health Department. Mr. Chutia submits that instruction in the matter has been received and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to file the return in the matter. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date.
Highly obliged.
item 29.
Item?
In this
Yes,
matter,
Mr. Chalia?
On the last occasion, the learned counsel for the department took time for filing affidavit. Nothing has been filed.
There is nothing on my file as well.
Nothing has been filed.
Instruction has been waiting, man.
All the matters in my board today is of instructions.
Same instruction.
You know, I don't think I have been able to dispose anything till date, till now. It's almost 12. Anyway, these are 25 matters, so we'll give them the time. How much more time? Heard Mr. D.P. Chalia, learned senior counsel, assisted by MS M. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
G. Pegu.
G. Pegu, learned standing counsel, elementary
Yes, ma'am.
education. Mr. Pegu seeks further 2 weeks' time. I'm not giving you 4 weeks' time. 2 weeks' time to file written in the matter. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such.
Not. Obliged.
19. Item 30.
May I please, Your Lordship, this matter may be taken up after some.
All right.
Item 32.
Yes, Mr. Islam, right?
My lord, in this case, my lord, the issue involved in this case is settled, my lord. The issue involved in this case is already settled.
Settled.
Settlement at division bench as well as your lordship judgment, your lordship. The petitioner.
Mr. Ghosh. Settled.
So it was led up the judgment at the division bench.
Diyak Baidu.
Para, your lordship.
You are seeking grant of full pension.
Yes, your lordship. Already paid, but
by considering the total length of service.
Yes, your lordship.
So the similar order can be given.
Yes, your lordship, similar. Only your lordship date of appointment. Here is para 4, 30/11/1957. Here, my lord, 11/8/1966.
11/8/1966. 1966.
Yes, your lordship.
And petitioner's husband
retired on, my lord.
What is the name?
Name, my lord, Debendranath Das.
Debendranath
Das. Page 59.
Nath
Das.
Page 59, na?
Page 59. Details.
Yes, Sailoba. And in service of the Gao Panchayat secretary and everything same, na?
Tax collector.
So this information, where do I get?
My lord, page 59, all details are there.
Page 59.
Page 59.
Okay. This order will be typed out and the court master shall inform you both, have a look at it before I sign the order.
My lord.
Into order to set the bill.
Only date of appointment is, my lord. Otherwise.
I've given, but you check those
lord.
because of the
My-
personal details. I don't want you to again come by way of a review.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
Disposed of.
Very much.
Take it on naam to hibo. Anybody else is there? Mr. Chalia and all are also there. Just give your names. If you don't stand up, I will not know if you are here in this matter or not. Huh?
Standing item number 12.
Yes.
Your lordship may dispose it of.
Heard Mr. K.R. Padgiri, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.K. Ghosh,
A.K.
as A.K. Ghosh, Learned Counsel appearing for, you are also a standing
No,
counsel,
lordship, I'm.
appearing on behalf of the standing counsel PNRD. Stop. Anyone there? Finance and all are there here? Mr. Chalia, I think you are here also. A. Chalia for the finance, R3. R3, huh?
3 and 7.
3 and
7.
7. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking
Family pension.
direction for payment of direction for finalizing and releasing the arrear death benefits and monthly family pension within bracket arrear and current of the petitioner forthwith along with interest as per rule 197 capital A of the Assam Services Pension Rules 1969. In terms of the judgment and order dated Five 8/2023 passed in WA number 133 of 2023. Stop. Correct. The brief case of the petitioner is that a synopsis to likhe diba. It is submitted at the bar that the issue involved in this writ petition is squarely covered by the judgment and order of this court in the case of Nur Hussain Mullah versus the state of Assam and others in WPC 4397 of 2022, wherein this court by judgment and order dated 5/8/2022 was pleased to direct the respondents in the PNRD department to pass necessary orders on the entitlement of the petitioner for pension by taking note of the law laid down by the division bench in WA number 145 of 2009. It appears that against the aforesaid judgment and order of the learned single judge, the state respondents had preferred a writ appeal being WA number 133 of 2023, which was dismissed by the division bench of this court on 5/8/2023 by upholding the said judgment and order of the learned single judge of this court dated 5/8/2022. It further appears that against the judgment and order of the division bench, an SLP being SLP Civil Diary number S24107 of 2024 was preferred before the Apex Court, but was also dismissed by the Apex Court by order dated 19/7/2024. It appears that the decision of the learned single judge in WPC 4397 of 2022 stands affirmed. In view of the above, here also that initial joining, that is the thing. I'm inclined to dispose of this writ petition in the interest of justice in similar line as that of judgment and order dated 5/8/2022 passed in WPC 4397 of 2022. Resultantly, the respondents PNRD department are directed to pass necessary order on the entitlement of the petitioner for family pension by taking note of the aforesaid judgment and order dated 5/8/2022 passed in WPC 4397 of 2022 and the division bench judgment and order dated 5/8/2023 passed in WA 133 of 2023. Writ petition accordingly stands disposed of. Needless to be clarified that the entire exercise shall be carried out within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order.
For order, item number 34.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Contempt.
Contempt,
How
my
come you decide?
lord.
How come you decide? You
a-
are
it's a-
generally in the other side,
It's,
no?
it's an old case, my lord, case of
Uh,
2013, my lord.
Yes.
Now, they say the claim in the writ petition was for enhancements of my family pension, my lord. Now, they say they have complied with the order, but till date I have not received anything. Till date I have not received anything from the department. And there is one more thing, my lord. The claim was for enhancement of the family pension. Now, when the order was initially passed in 2009, my family pension was sanctioned at an amount of rupees 2,811. Now, my claim was for enhancement of the.
How can these things can be gone into the contempt jurisdiction?
Now, they have passed an order. This order shows that the amount has gone down, my lord. It could not have been.
But that can be, it's a new cause of action.
I understand, but
This is a contempt jurisdiction.
I understand, but
Show me what was the operating part of the judgment against which this contempt, non-compliance of which judgment is filed?
page 12, my lord,
Page 12.
paragraph 9.
Yes.
Three of the above decision stands allowed by directing the respondent number 5 and 6 to redo the exercise of computing the special family pension amount of the petitioner by adhering to the office memorandum dated 26/8/1985 letter.
So this is done,
This is done. Recently, they have done, my lord.
but it's done.
It's done.
Where do we get that?
That order they have.
Mr.
not handed
Deori?
over to me.
Lordship, it is marked as flag A in honorable courts.
Now, that initially they have now fixed it at 1,600 something, my lord.
There was no within a 4 weeks. Okay. But now it has been complied.
Complied.
Then,
I understand.
then what remains?
But till that I have not received anything, my lord. Whether they have
Sharma, what
whether-
can be done?
whether they have forwarded it to the concerned department for payment, that's an issue, my lord.
Affidavits not filed?
Okay.
Lordship, that particular communication, it speaks that to the treasury officer, it was for.
Mr. Deori,
Treasury.
the order of this court is dated 11/6/2015, right? And it says the exercise which the respondent number 5 and 6 are required to take as indicated above shall be completed within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. It appears that this exercise have been finally done on 18/11/2025. That is after almost
10, 9 to 10.
years. Forget 4 weeks. Not even 4 years. And no affidavit is filed before the court. And to make things worse, the petitioner is now submitting, even this has not been received.
Lordship, the treasury, it has been sent to treasury, the communication speaks.
See, the difficulty is that you all always come up with a piece of paper and say it's all complied. But what is being forgotten is that this is a contempt jurisdiction. By now, I'm also tired of giving this lecture on contempt jurisdiction. Because you people are also not taking it seriously. I think unless and until we start calling the contemners in person, nothing is going to change. It will carry on like this. an affidavit should have been filed, no, bringing this on record with with some explanation as why this exercise could not have been done within the time frame given by the court, isn't it? And and an unconditional apology ought to have been also tendered before the court. Yes or no, Mr. Deori? You are an officer of the court, mind you.
Lordship, because it is, several departments are concerned.
I am not on that. Mr. Deori, I'm not on all that. I'm not on all that. Please understand.
Lordship, on each and every date, the development was informed, Your Lordship.
That
Because
is,
after
I am
days-
not on all that.
Yes.
I'm not on all that. You listen to what your friend is saying.
Filing the affidavit on one particular date, because after, if I files the affidavit, thereafter again, many round of tasks are yet to be completed. So our.
Even assuming that calculation is correct, my lord, I'll be entitled to something.
But what is to be done now?
Lordship,
Let it be posted after a month, I'll take the instructions from my client whether he has received it or not. Till today morning, I have called him up, my lord, he has not received anything.
That part, Mr. Cholia, you will be able to say, I think.
The treasury had already sent it to the bank. Now, Lordship, if Lordship grants me, we are not a party, Lordship, we were just assisting the court because my learned friend had made a submission that he had sent the Lordship regarding why Lordship in these kind of circumstances, sometimes it is the petition, some documents. Now the bank is also involved. They are not a party, Lordship. Maybe the payment has been stopped from the bank's end. I can give that clarification to my learned friend in the meantime from the treasury, saying that what all has been forwarded and what seems to be the problem, Lordship. Because here,
Those informations are provided to me, my lord, I can.
yes, I'll,
can appeal
that
to
I'll,
Bank of
I am
India.
not recording on this.
I'll ensure.
This court has full faith on Mr. Chalia. I'm sure he will do the necessary coordinations with it. You inform whatever is required and all right, because let's not keep this petitioner waiting. He's already waited for so many years. Now, if it's complied, let it be complied in the full spirit, no? Why compliance only on paper? Heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Deori, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the contemner number 7. Mr. S.M.T. Chiste, learned counsel appearing for the contemner number 8. Mr. A. Chalia, learned counsel appearing for these finance department, though the finance department otherwise is not arrayed as a respondent contemner in the proceeding. Stop. Correct.
Lordship.
I've clarified that. It appears that by way of this contempt petition, the petitioner has brought to the notice of this court the non-compliance of the judgment and order dated 11/6/2015 passed by this court in WPC 4311 of 2013, whereby this court had directed the respondent numbers 5 and 6 within brackets the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Pension and Public Grievance Department, Dispur, Guwahati 6, and Director of Pensions, Government of Assam, Housefed Complex, Dispur, Assam, Guwahati 6, page 8 at Paboha, to redo the exercise of computing the special family pension amount of the petitioner by adhering to the office memorandum dated 26/8/1985 in letter and spirit within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. It appears that after a inordinate delay of almost more than
More than 9 years.
9 years, the respondent in the office of the Director of Pension, Assam Housefed Complex, by letter dated 18 November 2025, has redone the exercise as directed by this court in so and so. Mr. B. Sharma submits that despite the aforesaid exercise having been done as per the instruction received from the petitioner, no
Amount has been
credited to her
account.
account till date. It is unfortunate that despite a positive order from this court for redoing the exercise for computing the special family pension amount of the petitioner as directed by this court in that order, despite lapse of several years, the same has not been done by the respondent, which appears to be prima facie contemptuous in the eye of the court. It is further regretted in the manner it is further regretted that despite lapse of several years in complying with the court's order, no affidavit explaining the grounds of delay and or tendering, you may take your seat, Mr. Chalia, or tendering an unconditional apology has been placed before this court till date. This court depreciates the manner in which the contempt cases are being handled before this court. Be that as it may, without further going into the matter, this court reposts the matter on such and such date, on which date the up-to-date instruction as regards the compliance of the court's order in full spirit shall be placed before this court by the concerned respondent. I am not saying anything about you, Mr. Chalia, because you are not there. However, it is understood that you will inform. Give that date.
10th March.
Much.
Those 5 and 6 is by Mr. Deori, right? That responded.
Time being item number 30.
Lordship, the matter pertains to selection appointment of Nagpura, Lordship. The private respondent here received a copy, Lordship, but none has appeared today, Lordship.
Who is there for the private respondent?
Lordship,
Man is there. Anyway, we'll have it next week then.
Lordship.
Heard MS?
8 Alukya,
So and so learned counsel for the petitioner, none appears for the respondents on call relist on such and such date.
Lordship, there is a
Names are
incident-
shown.
No.
Names are not shown. Let registry, it further appears that the names of the respondents are not reflected in the cause list. Let registry verify and place and reflect the names of the respondent counsels in the cause list on the next date of listing. Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
6th February. Item number 36.
Yes, Mr. Chester.
Yes, I am for response number 3. There's some development, I am going to bring it to a record and file an affidavit.
As prayed for by Mr. SMT Chester, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contemnant number 3, relist on such and such date to enable the contemner place the development on record.
Obliging.
24. 24 of February. 37. My lord, this contempt petition has been filed in the year 2021. Till date, my lord, no response from their side.
Lordship, in the meantime, the state had filed a review, your lordship, on 6/1/2026. It was, the matter was, our review petition was dismissed, your lordship, with the direction to comply with the order, your lordship. So lordship, may I pray 2 weeks' time, your lordship? In the meantime, we'll also file the affidavit.
You need a review petition direction for complying the
No,
court's
no, your
order.
lordship, no. In,
Review petition was dismissed.
it was dismissed, your lordship, but we require. a
You are
two-week-
there in this matter, Mr.
No.
Shristi?
Lordship. Lordship. Lordship, that is not required, your lordship, but we want to file a affidavit, your lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. D. Mushahari, learned counsel appearing for the respondent contender number
5, your lordship.
5, relist on such and such date to enable the contender file affidavit in the matter.
Obliged, your lordship.
59.
Yes, Ms. Seal?
This is
Ms. Kanung,
Kanungo.
sorry. Kanungo.
Lordship, this contempt is for non-compliance of order of this honorable court,
Hmm.
where it was directed to pay minimum pay scale to the petitioner.
Mr. Deka, why your client is not paying?
Direction. The direction was to consider for payment of minimum.
Considered.
We have considered. we have
Rejected.
Rejected it.
Then
No, Lordship, yes, they are not saying that I'm not eligible. They are saying that they are not
but
going
Ms.
to
Kanung, you are
Kanungo?
before which jurisdiction?
contempt, Lordship.
What remains more? You have any grievance, you file an appropriate petition,
Lordship, may kindly see the direction of this honorable court, page
Okay.
number 23.
page 23.
It was admitted by them that I'm entitled.
Show me the operating part of it.
See page number 20, page number 24, Lordship.
24. Yes,
There is Lordship.
yes.
At the bar that in the view of the decision rendered in the case of so and so, petitioner would be entitled for payment of minimum pay scale, considering the fact that the petitioner has admittedly been working as so and so since April 2002. Neither the question of this or service of the denial of benefit of minimum scale of pay would arise in this case. Their counsel was their lordship, it was intra-party, they admitted that I'm entitled to, therefore this deduction is there. Now they are saying that
What is the interim order granted in your
Lordship,
case?
may kindly see interim order, page number, it is a typed copy. Interim order runs from 11, Lordship 11, page number 12 is the operative portion, last para of the page
Yes,
number 12.
yes.
In the interim, as the petitioner has rendered over 10 years of service as health worker, she is entitled to interim protection under the ratio of this court judgment, so and so Upendas Lordship. Accordingly, petitioner's service as health worker in the SK Roy so and so should not be disturbed until the returnable date. Thereafter, Lordship, it was continued. I was disturbed in several ways. There are several orders protecting my interest, Lordship. Till date, I'm working. Now they are saying that they are not going to pay. Hospital authority will pay because I was appointed by hospital authority. And hospital authority is also represented by a council, Lordship. They were also condemned.
What is the order of the court? It says that consider grant of minimum pay scale
Lordship,
as per Jadumani's case.
yes, Jadumani's
Right?
order I have annexed, Lordship.
No,
Page-
1 second, I'm trying to understand.
Sure.
Why are you getting intimidated?
Lordship, she is suffering, that's all.
No, it's okay. I have to also understand. This is why I'm asking questions.
Lordship,
Why are you getting intimidated?
I'm seeking apology.
Now, where is that order by which they said that they have complied?
Just in their affidavit, Lordship.
Where, which page?
71 of the affidavit will be the operating part.
Page
71, page of 23 will be the operating part of the judgment.
71.
Yes.
You have also filed a reply, na, Ms. Kanungo? Page 71. Yes, this is a long order. This is page 71 is some court order.
Lordship, their order 73.
Our order is at page 73. The order of Jadumani was it page 71.
And your order is at
Page
page?
73. No. Start from page 73.
You are Alakarani Paul. Yes.
Lordship. Now they are saying that since I was appointed by society, hospital society, they will pay. And they are also represented by, they have not filed any affidavit regarding this, Lordship.
Anything else?
No, Lordship.
All right. I'm sorry, but there is no contempt made out. There could be a non-compliance, but every non-compliance is not contemptuous. It has to be deliberate and willful. I don't find any willful, deliberate non-compliance of the court's order. You may not be happy with the manner in which they may have complied. You have a grievance, you go ahead, you file a necessary writ petition, Ms. Kanungo. Okay. Heard MS K. Kanungo, na? S. Kanungo, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Deka, learned counsel appearing for the respondent contender number 4 and file number 2 for our contender number 3. By way of this contempt petition, the petitioner is drawing attention of the court of the alleged willful disobedience of the order dated 1/2/2023 passed by the learned single judge in WPC 3330 of 2018. Stop. It appears that the petitioner by WPC 330 of 2018, who was serving since April 2000 to 2002, right?
Lordship.
As a health worker in the SK Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi, upon offering her candidature for the 6 vacancies of ward girl in the Hailakandi district, her name was notified. Her name, she in the advertisement dated 14/12/2017, she was unsuccessful. It was the contention of the petitioner in the writ petition that the petitioner, having 16 years of experience as a health worker, ought to have received preferential consideration in the selection process. And also canvassed her apprehension that her service as health worker may be discontinued. It was further contended that the petitioner is the low wage of 3,000 per month paid to the health worker, whereas this is way below the minimum salary for casual employees in the government sector. While issuing notice in the said writ petition, this court was pleased in the interim to direct that the petitioner, since has rendered over 10 years service as a health worker, she is entitled to interim protection under the ratio of this court's judgment in State of Assam versus Upen Das, reported in 2017 4 GLR 493. Thereafter, the matter having come up for final hearing, this court, by judgment and order dated 1/2/2023, was pleased to dispose of the writ petition by holding, quote unquote, page 24, A to A. It is the specific case of the contempt petitioner that despite a positive direction passed by this court to consider the case of the petitioner. There has been no compliance of the said direction. The respondents, by filing affidavit, when was it filed?
31/10/2025.
By filing affidavit in opposition, respondent number 4, na? By respondent's contempt number 4, on 31/10/2025, which is the paragraph that you talk about in Annexure 3.
Page 74, last part, considering the above.
Page
74
74.
of the order of the.
No. কি বুলি লিখিলে? Submitted that the direction of this court has been duly considered. Relevant paragraphs of the aforesaid affidavit reads as under 9. I think it will be 9, 10, and 11. 9 and 10, I think. Right, Mr. Deka?
Lordship,
9 and 10, right?
there's no paragraph number in the orders of.
Your affidavit.
Lordship.
Your affidavit.
Yes, Mr. 9 and 10.
9 and 10.
48 and 49, Lordship.
Correct.
Right.
So those are the
Very good.
9 and 10 to quote, quote unquote. On the other hand, the petitioner, by filing an affidavit in reply, contended that the said purported compliance cannot be said to be compliance of the aforesaid direction of this court's order dated so and so. Relevant paragraph of the affidavit in reply reads as under. Paragraph 4, isn't it, Ms. Kanungo? 4. Paragraph 4. Quote unquote. Having heard the learned counsels for the parties and having perused the materials available on record, the issue is whether the respondents have complied with the court's order dated so and so. In order to determine the said issue, apt to quote the letter dated, where is that page? Letter dated 25/7/2025 issued by the Government of Assam Health and Family Welfare Department, whereby the case of the petitioner was considered and rejected. Quote unquote. Egute page 73 per didibo. Reading of the aforesaid letter and the affidavits exchanged in the matter, it appears that the respondents were not sitting silently after the order dated so and so have been passed by this court. Whether the order has been complied or not complied, in order for a contempt to be constituted, it is required to be established that the non-compliance was willful and deliberate. Given the circumstances of the case, this court does not find any willful or deliberate non-compliance of the court's order. Hence, no contempt is made out. The petitioner, however, is at liberty to approach the competent forum in the event the petitioner is not satisfied with the order dated so and so. Hey, into quote unquote korisle, hey to did. Contempt petition stands closed.
Nicely, sir. My lord, in this case, my lord, respondent number 3, my lord, content number 3 is not served, my lord, but my lord, my knowledge, my lord, he may be struck on, my lord.
Have you filed any affidavit, any application for striking off? Who is R3?
My lord, R3 is the district commissioner of Kokrazar, my lord,
He's not required.
not required.
Respondent number 1.
The respondent.
What are you challenging? This is a contempt
Yes,
case.
my lord, contempt, my lord,
Okay. R3 is not required.
not required, because my lord,
I think you want to struck off the name of R3.
my lord.
Then an application perhaps has to be filed, an IA. You file an IA if you want, because you have arrayed the R3.
Yes, yes.
You have arrayed. You file an IA.
But what happened, my
You
lord?
file an IA, this court will allow.
No, my lord, now the earlier incumbent, my lord, that is.
No, that cannot be a ground for releasing the respondent number.
Then, my lord, I will, my lord, implement the present.
Correct, you
Yes.
implead.
Yes.
Then why are you saying struck off? He will still continue. As prayed for by Mr. A. Hussain, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner to file necessary application to implead the new incumbent to the post of
District Commissioner, Kokrazar.
DC Kokrajhar.
Well, date may be 18. 41.
Made to your lordship.
Yes, contempt.
The short time.
Mr. Locker, where are your counterpart? Yes, Miss N. Boro was there.
And Bora.
And Bora.
Bora.
And Bora. I thought she was here.
Oh. He was supposed to give instruction in the matter.
Yes.
That's it. Instructions waited.
Awaited or vetted?
Waited.
Waited. How much more time?
Check.
Let it be next week, Your Lordship. You wanted to give instructions.
February 2nd.
Are you sure?
Lordship. Lordship.
By then, if instruction doesn't come, personal appearance.
Lordship. Lordship.
As prayed for by MS N. Barwa, Learned Counsel, appearing for the sole contemner, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent contemner file return in the matter. File show cause reply in the matter.
Obliged.
Show cause reply for the contempt matter.
That is your lordship. My lord, as per office note dated 2012-2025 lordship, the notice issued to the respondent number 1 lordship, that was not returned lordship.
Await.
Await.
Await service in respect of respondent number 1. Relist on such and such date.
Obliged.
24. What's it say?
This contempt petition lordship. Against the order. lordship.
Notice served.
Notice served lordship.
Who is appearing? No appearance till now.
Appearing lordship.
Huh?
Appearing lordship.
Where are they? It's item 41.
Sorry lordship.
43. Yes, where is Mr. M. Bhuya, R. M. Barwa, B. Gogoi? No one is there. No affidavit also fine.
There are 7 is relevant, Lordship, page 21, Lordship.
All right, heard Mr. C. Bhattacharya,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the applicant. Why, what is this IA?
Already disposed of, Lordship. I have already implemented.
For the contempt petitioner, none appears for the respondent despite the despite the names of learned counsels, i.e. Mr. B. Gogoi, Mr. M. Bhuya, Mr. R. M. Barua being reflected in the cause list. Relist again on such and such date. In the event there is no representation on behalf of the contemners on that date as well, the contemners shall remain personally present before the court.
Okay.
44.
A order to necessary orders for personal appearance বুলি ক'ব কাৰণ নহ'লে গম নাপাব নহয় না? Yes, 44. She's
I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, but 3 has recently been transferred to Hailakandi, Your Lordship, as ADC revenue.
But that doesn't mean 3 will be discharged.
Exactly.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
Are you filing affidavit or
Yes,
not?
today for the first time I am appearing.
So say that.
Yes.
And you have to bring someone, you bring it in the meantime. As prayed for by MSK Fukan, learned counsel appearing for contemner number
2 and 3.
2 and 3, relist on such and such date to enable the said contemners file show cause reply in the matter. Should I say about
Not
the
good, I will file it.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
45.
Lordship, in this matter, as per office report, service is awaited.
service awaited? Await service, relist on such and such date.
19.
Oblige, Lordship.
46.
Yes, Lord, in this case, service complete, in respect of respondent number 3, Okalatoma filed and respondent number 4, Lordship, not ID card return after service.
So service is complete. Three, somebody has filed. AD card return for 4.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 3.
3.
3.
You need time?
Lordship.
As prayed for by so and so, relist on such and such date to file to enable the contemner so and so contemner to file show cause reply in the matter. None appears for respondent number 4 despite office note dated 20/12/25 recording that the service is complete against the aforesaid contemner.
47.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I have filed an IA for early hearing.
Early hearing, when do you want it?
Lordship, if it may be possible on the first week of February itself.
First week of February, what is the issue?
Lordship, the issue is regarding promotion. The petitioner is
Promotion.
Seeking promotion.
Huh?
Seeking promotion. Lord.
Seeking promotion. Yes?
Rosina, can you fix as per my lord convenience? I have filed my affidavit also.
Okay.
All the pleadings are completed. Lord.
Your name?
NJ Daimari.
Heard Mr. N.J. Daimari, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard MS
MD Bora.
M.D. Bora, learned standing counsel, cooperative. Corporation, na? Cooperative society.
Society.
Cooperative society.
Department is corporation.
By way of this application, the applicant is seeking early hearing of the writ petition number 1857 of 2025. It appears that the petitioner, by filing the aforesaid writ petition, is seeking consideration of the name of the petitioner for promotion to LDA junior assistant from the post of peon. It further appears that the pleadings in the aforesaid writ proceedings have been completed. Considering the urgency canvassed before this court, the writ petition is already admitted.
Yes, Lord.
And that the writ petition has already been admitted, the application stands allowed by directing listing of the writ petition on such and such date for hearing. Give a date.
Highly obliged, Lords.
This I is also for early hearing, my lord.
What is the issue?
My lord, in a departmental proceeding, my lord, the punishment.
Hearing is complete?
Yes, my lord, rule issue.
Admitted?
Yes.
Same order. Give a date in the second week of February. Mr. Didi.
Obliged.
Your names.
Yes.
Give your names, huh?
For all respondents.
পাৰিব ন এইটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট পেজতে পাই যাব ৰিট পিটিশ্যনটোত কি চেলেঞ্জ কৰিছে নহ'লে ৰিট পিটিশ্যনটোত চাই ল'ব প্ৰেয়াৰটো Yes.
Lordship, as per office note dated 19/1/2026, Lordship, service has been completed.
Complete. You all are appearing.
Respondent number 4.
You will file your return.
Lordship. Lordship.
Who is appearing for 4? Respondent number 4.
I'm for one.
You are for 1. Huh?
I'm 2 and 3.
2 and 3. What
Lordship.
about 4? 4 also completed.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3. The total 4 respondents.
Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
AK Kanu, Lordship.
A.K.
Kanu.
Kanu.
Lordship.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also Kanu. K-A-N-U. Also heard M.S. K. Borpujari. Learned counsel entering appearance on behalf of respondent number
2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3, and M.S. M.D. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Transport Department, Assam, appearing on behalf of respondent number 1. And though office note dated 7/11/2025 indicates service completed against respondent number 4, however, there is no representation on behalf of the said respondent on call. M.S. so and so seeks how much time?
I'm for my party.
You don't want to file?
Lordship, in the month of February, regarding his petition, in the month of February, a meeting of departmental promotion will be held. Lordship, in this meeting, we will place the petition, name of the petitioner for consideration, Lordship.
Okay, then you say that MS so submits that the name of the petitioner shall be placed before the departmental promotion committee, which meeting is scheduled
February, Lordship.
in the month of February 2026
Lordship.
and for consideration.
Lordship.
Okay, relist, give a date after the 1st of March. On such and such date, by which date up-to-date instructions and stroke query return shall be placed before this court.
Let's say on 1 March inconvenience, Lordship, after date.
Okay,
No, sir. Will
you
not
will
affect-
inform the court
Lordship.
master as per your convenience, the date will be given. Okay. Yes. Next.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next.
Item number 55.
Yes.
Your Lordship, service upon respondent number 6 has been completed. Your
6 is completed. And what about the others?
1 to 3, I am appearing.
4, 5.
Your Lordship, we have furnished the extra copies to respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, but in the cause list, BTC name is not reflected.
Okay. You are MSP Das?
B. Poddar.
B.
B.
B. Poddar. Heard MSB Poddar, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS S. Barua, Learned Counsel. You are appearing as an additional
And Junior Government.
Learned Government Counsel on behalf for the state respondent number
1 to 3.
1, 2, 3. Office note dated 21/2026 indicates that service in respect of respondent number 6 has been completed. However, there is no appearance on behalf of respondent number 6 on call. It further appears that though the standing council BTC enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 4, however, because of non-reflection of the name of the standing council BTC in the cause list, there is no representation on behalf of respondent number 4 on call either. Let registry reflect the names of the learned standing council in the cause list for on the next date of listing. Relist on such and such. After 2 weeks, you're filing affidavit or not?
affidavit not filed yet.
Will you file or not? Then I have to dedicate our prayer to 2 weeks time for filing return in the matter. Prayer allowed. Give a date after 2 weeks.
Item 56.
None appears on call. Relist on such and such date. Over.